Well, hello. As I promised, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the RAM in this iBuyPower Y60 gaming PC. It only comes with a measly 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, but it is RGB for more power. But we're going to go ahead and upgrade it with a 64 gig, and this is a T-Force Delta RAM sticks, and they just literally slide right in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But unboxing this RAM was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this RAM, both of them were priced at about $180 USD. I got them off of Amazon. Links will not be down in the description, but you want to make sure that you have the same brand RAM as you already do in your computer when installing or upgrading your RAM sticks. I will go ahead and show you how to install them here momentarily, but if you've made it this far, be a doll and hit that subscribe button, would you? And hit that like button as well as comment how much RAM you're running on your PC. Well, stay tuned and enjoy the install. Okay, bye. And subscribe. Did I already say that? Yes, I did. But please subscribe. Now for this PC, I had to remove the tempered glass, which is just held on by a screw in the back. You go ahead and unscrew it and tilt it as well as pull upwards, and it comes right out. Those white sticks or white bars you see right in the middle are the current RAM sticks, and they are in position 2 and 4. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take out the number 2 RAM stick and place it into the number 3 slot, as well as place the new ones in the 1 and 2 slot. This will help keep the RAM optimized. Make sure that you touch the PC so you don't get any static electricity to short out any of the other components. But in my experience doing this on a carpet, I did not experience any shortage or any other issues while installing these RAM sticks. Okay, bye again.